हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैक माय चैनल लर्नर हाउस। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले इसको लाइक कर दीजिए और दोस्तों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो बगल में बटे सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबा दीजिए, उसके बगल में बने बेल आइकन को भी दबा देना। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे हनी ड्यू का चैप्टर 2 द सुनामी। तो बिफोर यू रीड, लुक एट मैप ऑफ द अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड। तो ये अंडमान एंड निकोबार का मैप है। तो नॉर्थ अंडमान यहाँ है, मिडिल अंडमान यहाँ है, लोअर अंडमान यहाँ है, पोर्ट ब्लेयर ये यहाँ पर है और लिटिल अंडमान ये है। तो ये निकोबार का है। कार निकोबार यहाँ है, तराशा यहाँ है, कटाचल यहाँ है, नॉन क्रोवी यहाँ है। तो अब हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. On 26 September 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories and coverage and survival. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggested that they did. Part first. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Ignatius was the manager of the cooperative society and Katachal. His wife woke up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took this television set of its tables and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. When the tremor stopped, they saw the sea rising in the chaos and confusions. Two of these children catch hold of the hands of their father and brothers, and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. Sanjeev was a policeman. Serving in the Katachal Island of the Nicobar group of Island. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he had cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on the wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. Almaz Javed was 10-year-old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother, Rahila's home was in Crowley Island. The family had gone to celebrate Christmas, but the tremors came early in the morning. She family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the water recedes. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. As then run, her grandfather was hit on the head by some things and he fell down. Her father rushed help to him. Then the first gain wave the swept both of them away. Alma's mother and aunt stood clinging to the leaves of the coconut tree, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree and they too were washed away. Alma saw a logos of wood floating. She climbed on to it. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital of Kamorota. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. तो दोस्तों आज यहीं तक. अब इसका सेकंड पार्ट हम अगली वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. बाय. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.